A certified pre-owned vehicle, or CPO, is a type of used vehicle that differs from other used vehicles in very important ways. It's been inspected, refurbished, and certified by a manufacturer or other certifying authority. Let's explore the benefits to see if a CPO vehicle is right for you. Manufacturers launched certified programs in the early 90s to draw attention to vehicles in excellent mechanical condition and with low mileage. Adding further benefits, such as extended warranties and roadside assistance, creates even more value. CPO programs, therefore, are ideal for shoppers who want to save money over the price of a new model, but who also want to drive a near-new vehicle with a solid warranty. When a customer returns a leased vehicle or trades in their current model, the dealership considers a few simple criteria to determine if the vehicle could be a potential CPO model. Dilawri dealerships have the added advantage of direct access to manufacturer demos and inventory units that are never released to the general marketplace. The criteria for inclusion varies, but here's just a few sample requirements it should meet. It must be 5 model years old or newer. It must have limited kilometers, and it must also have been operated by the previous owner for at least 12 months. If the vehicle meets basic guidelines, a factory-trained technician conducts a rigorous inspection. These inspections can cover anywhere from 100 items to over 300, depending on the manufacturer. The dealership then replaces or repairs anything that's worn beyond the limits of the manufacturer's criteria. Our expert detailers thoroughly detail the vehicle to ensure they are delivering an exceptional product. Confident in the vehicle's condition, the dealership commonly adds additional value in the form of limited warranties, roadside assistance, and other perks like satellite radio subscriptions in some cases. To provide even further peace of mind, a CarProof report is a key component of many certified pre-owned programs across Canada. The certified pre-owned option is ideal if you want to drive a near-new vehicle with a solid warranty, you wish to save money over the price of a new car, and enjoy the peace of mind that your dealership provides via its rigorous CPO process. To begin your shopping experience for a certified pre-owned vehicle, discover a Dilawri group of companies dealership near you by visiting dilawri.ca today.